Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by parking level and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical shorts. Use jack stands if needed, then remove visible screws and inner fender liners. Pull trim clips straight out to avoid breakage. As you work, keep fasteners organized in labeled containers so reassembly is efficient. If clips resist, apply a trim tool rather than force. Preserving clip integrity saves time. Once the outer screws and clips are out, support the bumper with one hand and locate hidden bolts behind the wheel wells and under the fascia. Continue by removing reinforcement bolts and carefully unplugging any sensors, fog lights, or wiring harnesses. Tuck connectors away to avoid snagging. As you detach the bumper, have a helper hold one side. This prevents falls and cosmetic damage. Inspect mounting tabs and the reinforcement bar for stress fractures or bent brackets that cause misalignment. Slight bends can be straightened, but cracked parts must be replaced. Make sure all mounting surfaces are clean and free of rust or debris, so new clips and bolts seat squarely when you refit the bumper. To finish, align the bumper starting at the center and work outward. Hand thread bolts first so holes line up without cross-threading. Once everything sits flush, torque fasteners to the manufacturer's spec and reconnect all sensors and lights, then test electrical components before lowering the vehicle. If gaps remain, loosen neighboring bolts, nudge the bumper into position, and reattach. Small adjustments solve most fit issues. Troubleshooting tip: if the bumper still misaligns, check hidden mounting brackets or warped reinforcement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.